Teledentistry has changed the way people access dental care, making it easier to get guidance, answers, and professional input without always needing to visit a clinic. For many patients, virtual dental care removes common barriers like long travel times, busy schedules, and limited access to specialists. Teledentistry is especially helpful for initial consultations, second opinions, symptom reviews, follow-ups, and treatment planning discussions. Patients can share photos, X-rays, and health information so licensed dental professionals can review concerns and provide clinical guidance. This can help patients understand what may be happening, what questions to ask, and what next steps make the most sense. However, teledentistry is not meant to replace all in-person dental care. Some procedures require hands-on exams, physical measurements, advanced imaging, or treatment that can only be done in a dental office. Virtual care works best as a first step, a support tool, or a way to stay connected between visits rather than a full replacement for clinical treatment. For many patients, the most effective approach is a hybrid care model. This means combining virtual care with in-person visits when needed. Teledentistry can help identify concerns early, guide patients to the right type of care, and support better communication between patients and providers. It can also help patients feel more informed before walking into a clinic, leading to more productive appointments and clearer treatment decisions. For dental professionals, teledentistry supports better triage, improved patient education, and more efficient use of clinical time. By addressing basic questions and reviews virtually, in-office visits can focus on hands-on care that truly requires chair time. This improves workflow while also improving the patient experience. In the end, teledentistry is not about replacing traditional dentistry. It is about expanding access, improving communication, and helping patients take more informed steps in their oral health journey. When used appropriately, virtual care becomes a powerful part of a modern dental care system that supports both patients and providers.